and welcome to my video. If this is your first time, I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. If you don't know what Chalk Couture is, it is a DIY home decor direct sales company. And welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking first about our June 2021 promotions. We've got these 3 Kickstart transfers that are good for the month of June or while supplies last. The special is you can just buy them outright, or you can, if you spend on my chalk site $75 US or 100 Canadian dollars before tax and shipping, you can get one for free, and you will get to pick. If you spend $100 US or 130 Canadian dollars, you can pick 2 of the Kickstart transfers for free. Spend $125 US or 160 Canadian dollars, you get 3 of the transfers for free. We've got fresh coffee daily is this transfer. To the fridge and back is this transfer. And cook, eat, clean. I am going to be doing today to the fridge and back. I'm going to be putting it on our Bistro spinner, and it does come apart so I can lay it flat to do it. I'm going to be doing both sides. And colors I'm going to be using is Storm and Colonial Blue. And there's my finished project. I love it. Go nice in my kitchen. The blues and the grays and the black. And that is our first Kickstart transfer. And I really love it. It says work hard, snack often, and love you to the fridge and back. Thank you for watching, and all my details and links are below. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.